Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit, at araw-araw napapatanong, paanong natupad aking pulong, kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa'kin na patingin sa libong-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
Neil, my love, who would have thought, from being classmates, barkada, from 2nd year to 4th year in high school, that I would be here today declaring my love for you in front of all our favorite people. Neil, I make you this promise today, just as I did when we agreed to give us a chance. I'll choose you over and over again. No matter the distance, no matter the time zone, my loyalty will always remain with you. For our future, my wish is for us to compress from LDR into a real, everyday, under one roof kind of love. To not just be your partner, but also the loving stepmother to your beautiful children. I promise to extend my love to them as if they were my own. Basta love, kapit lang dyan sa kaya natin. Aish Shitiro, I love you.
Dalangin kita, di na lang darating.
Neil, in the sight of God, sa harapan ng ating dakilang Panginoong Diyos, buong puso mo ba ipagkaloob ang buong buhay mo kay Josel? At tinatanggap mo ba siya na maging kabiyak at asawa mo, at mamahalin mo, at sasamahan mo, at gagabayan mo, at ikaw kanyang lakas, ligaya, at pag-asa sa buhay, ang iyong magiging kabiyak at asawa mula hanggang kamatayan?
Yes po, Pastor.
Ikaw para sa'kin, dalangin kita.
Okay, the same with you, Josel. Do you come here with your free will? Wholeheartedly submit and give yourself to Neil? Do you accept him to be your wedded husband? Do you promise now that you will give yourself to him, support him, respect him, pray for him, and light up a home beginning today till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Nais kong makarating sa dulo ng bahaghari, hanggang doon ika'y aking mamahalin. Kahit na anong mangyari, mastan ng buwan humuhudyat para sa'yo. Tingin ng hangin, bumubulong ako.
ba Joy, mas pilion ako magbinisaya para mas igo ba. Samtang ang langit giap-up na sa mga panganod, samtang ang dagat ibut-ibuti na sa mga isda. Pero kidding aside, no? Bitaw, who would have thought na ikakasal ka na sa iyong ultimate crush nung high school, di ba? But today, love, I promise to listen to you, to love you, to learn from you. Bisag dugay ka mo reply sa akong mga chat. And promise I will not be the antagonist of your dreams. Kung asa kusog ang panagat, dito ta. I will not be your knight in shining armor, but makipatay ko kung may ilog sa imo. More coffee together, more travel together, and let God be the center of our love. Lastly, nalang ko yung isa ka verse na i-share sa imo. John 15:9, I have loved you even as the Father has loved me. Remain in my love. Love, I love you.
Ikaw ang panalangin ko. Sa'yo ang puso ko. Sa lahat ng panahon, ikaw ang susundin nito. Magpakailanman ika'y narin. Ikaw ang panalangin ko. Ikaw lang ang nais na ang dumating.